Hello, good morning. Richard from County Baptist Services. Now, we at County Baptist Services believe that cleanliness is properly next to godliness. And one of the things that I like to do is make sure my shoes are really polished well. The tools you might need for this job are a brush, a duster, and of course, shoe polish. So take the shoe polish, plenty onto the duster, and then rub it well into each shoe. Until the shoe is dull and completely covered. You may notice I've got a red mark on my heel. That's because my son Isaac has the same type of shoe, and it's easy when they're in the shoe rack to see which one's mine and which ones are his. When the shoes are nicely covered in polish, next thing, over to the cooker. Like the hob. Carefully, you don't want to burn the shoes, just heat up the polish and you see it smoothing out, and actually the shoes are becoming more and more shiny. Carefully heat up the wax. When both shoes have been heated up, you can then take to with a brush and clean them off. And then you'll find they'll come up probably better than they were when they were new. Richard from County Baptist Services, wishing you a lovely day.